Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to forward message on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, click on Signal app icon. Open the chat with your contact. Tap and hold message which you want to forward. Press on forward icon. Select the person which you want to forward the message to them. You can only send message for maximum 4 contacts. Let's try to add it one more. You will find message. You can only share with up to 5 chats. Press OK. Press on forward message here. You can amend message or send directly. Let's send directly. Now message already sent to 5 contacts which you select. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.